Hello and welcome to Online Q's, your YouTube channel for your online queries. Now in this video I'll show you how you can create a new YouTube channel for yourself altogether. So the first thing that you will need to do is make sure that you sign into your Google account. Just go to google.com or gmail.com and use your Google account, that is your username at the rate gmail.com to sign in with your email address and password. And when you're signed in, your profile picture will appear like this. And make sure that you go to youtube.com to get the process starting. Now you can copy and paste this thing that will be written in the description below, that is youtube.com/channelswitcher.com. Only through here you can create a new channel. So when this appears, so what you need to do is create a new channel. So your Google accounts will appear, which is your brand accounts. Now this is what is needed to create a new channel. It will create a new YouTube channel and a Google Plus profile all together. So I'm going to type in the name. Now this is just a channel that will be made temporary for me. You can make it permanent for yourself. So I need to type in a password. So I'm going to receive a voice call because that is so much easier than just having a text message, because sometimes text messages doesn't get delivered to you on time when you want it to. So for me it's kind of lack of time, because I want to show you the steps as quickly as possible. So
Hello. Thank you for using Google Software Fish. You should not share this code with anyone else, and no one in Google will ever ask for this code. Your code 285. Again, your code is 6156. Goodbye.
So I just entered the verification code that was I received in a phone call. This code is unique to everybody, so do not type in the code that you see on my screen here. Just make sure that you get the code via text message or phone call that I just did right now, like I did just now. So I'm going to click on continue, and it's going to verify for me and process the plus page sign up, which is creating a brand account on your Google account and making sure that you create a channel just as this. So you can see that it's as easy as it is to create a channel for myself. So you can easily now create a YouTube channel for yourself if you follow my steps in this video. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on